Does day 4 look especially cool to anyone else? Just me? Okay. Hello everyone and welcome to Toys Unlocked. This is day 4 of the LEGO Harry Potter Advent Calendar and we're going to see what's behind the door number 4. It's a tiny Beauxbatons carriage! This will go perfectly with our Durmstrang ship. And look at the little flying horse! Oh! Okay, I am so excited about today's mini build, and if the directions are any indication, this is going to be the cutest little carriage you have ever seen in your life. I think the colors are really a big part of it for me. I love this powdery blue. It's the perfect color for the Beauxbatons blue. And I think these are actually the same colors as were used in the large Beauxbatons carriage, that big Harry Potter set. I'll have to pull out mine and check. In any case, we are building the body of the carriage right now, if I could just figure out how pieces work and go together. I really should practice building more. So there's the body, and we'll pop on these two golden grill pieces for the front and back. We can imagine they're windows, or perhaps they're just ornamentation. And then, of course, on top, this beautiful kind of dark red roof to keep out the elements. My favorite part of the carriage itself are the wheels. I can't think of these as anything but symbols. They look just like symbols, and I'm going to imagine that wherever this carriage is rolling, it's rolling with a crash, bang, boom. That's so precious. Hopefully it wouldn't really make that much noise. It would scare the flying horse. And there you have it. Our little carriage is ready to rock and roll. And now it's time to build the flying horse itself, which is the part I've most been looking forward to. It's so precious. We will build it separately from the carriage because I think it's probably going to be a little bit fiddly, and I don't want to destroy it with my clumsy fingers. 2 wings, and there you go. Oh, look how adorable this is, everyone. And then we'll pop on the head, and it is really as simple as that. Our little horse is ready to fly. And when you look at it in comparison to the carriage, it seems like the right size. It is supposed to be a very large flying horse. We'll angle these wings back so that they look a little more natural. And it's ready to pop on, and our carriage is ready to take flight. Do, 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 do. Let's compare our carriage to the Durmstrang ship. I want to see how they compare in size, and they're pretty comparable. This would be a very large carriage, but when you think about them in terms of being, I don't know, maybe toys for a minifigure, they're just right. So thank you for building with us today on day number 4. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day number 5. Bye, everyone.